My name is Jack Schron, president of Jergens Incorporated, located in lovely Cleveland, Ohio. We've been a member of the NTMA since the very beginning. We've been at it for 80 years now, and it started with my dad and grandfather out of the Second World War, making parts for the Hellcats and Wildcats. And of course, the war ended, so fortunately we didn't need those parts. But today, because of their vision and how it links to NTMA, of being a manufacturer of standard work holding, clamping, fixturing, tooling, we have grown. Today, Jergens is in Cleveland, Chicago, California, with sales offices throughout the world in Shanghai and Mumbai. And so it can be attributed to, I really believe, that early linkage back to NTMA from the very beginning. Well, clearly the best aspect of being an NTMA member is just being part of the club. You are in a networking group of some of the best and brightest in the industry, and so that's what makes it so special.
Jergens has been a long-time NTMA member. It's helped Jergens to remain strong and competitive in the manufacturing world.
What makes Jergens kind of unique in that my dad was there from the very beginning, then became president of the local organization, and here we are now. I'm third generation. I've been actively involved, and fourth generation was president of the local NTMA chapter right here in Cleveland. What I like about NTMA is that they are committed to linking that small to medium-sized manufacturer, and so we get bonded together. I need your parts, you need my parts. Together, somebody needs my fixturing and tooling, somebody needs somebody else's custom work, and so what makes NTMA work is that it's a bonded group out there so that one can find the best of both worlds. What we owe NTMA credit for is that when we took Tooling U to the NTMA national meeting, we brought down the early stages of it, and it was about training and workforce, about how you develop people around manufacturing for clamping and work holding and tooling, things that we knew, things that we made. And somebody said, whoa, wait a minute. We need stuff with blueprint reading. We need stuff with how to read the micrometer. We need stuff about welding and all these. And we said, ooh, I think this is a bigger project than what we originally had envisioned. And so the fixturing professor became quickly Tooling University and is now expanded all over the world into multi-language and multi-nations. It has become a benchmark, and because we were actively involved with NTMA in workforce, that it allowed it to blossom.